Hi guys, welcome back to Urbanism Spinning. I'm architect Moksha Bhatia and I make videos for you on architecture, interior, urbanism and travel. So today we will be discussing about what is biophilic architecture and how you can incorporate the concept of biophilic architecture, its elements in your design. So let's get started. Let's understand first what is biophilic architecture. By introducing natural features and processes into buildings, biophilic architecture aims to promote a sense of connection between humans and the natural world. The basic idea of the concept is that people are naturally connected to nature and that this connection may be seen in day-to-day activities. With the goal of creating built environments that promote a sense of connection and well-being by combining elements of nature, architects and designers started implementing biophilic ideas into their work in the late 20th century. These days, it's widely accepted that biophilic design and architecture are essential methods for developing more sustainable and healthful built environments. In their work, professionals in the domains of landscape architecture, urban planning, interior design, and architecture are progressively incorporating biophilic features like living walls, green roofs, natural lighting, and outdoor area access. Now let's discuss few benefits of biophilic architecture. For example, enhanced well-being and mental health. It has been demonstrated that exposure to natural elements such as sunlight, vegetation, and water features reduces stress and improves mood as well as cognitive performance. Then, increased productivity and creativity. Natural components can stimulate the brain, boost concentration, and create an environment that is more favorable for problem solving and creative thinking. And we have then physical benefits. An increasing trend in healthcare facilities is the incorporation of biophilic components, as these design concepts are seen to have the ability to aid in the healing process. Now let's talk about the elements that you can incorporate in your design. Number 1. Maximize the use of natural light. Give natural light a high priority when designing buildings to make sure that areas have enough of daylight. To maximize the amount of sunshine that enters a space, take into account the placement of windows, skylights, and reflective surfaces. Number 2. Incorporate water features. The sight and sound of water can be soothing. When possible, include water features in your design concepts such as indoor ponds or fountains. Number 3. Introduce greenery. Give interior spaces, living walls, or indoor plants. A little potted plant on a desk or on a windowsill can add a natural element to an office. Number 4. Provide views of nature. Whether it's through expansive windows, balconies, or well-placed outdoor areas, intentionally design spaces with views of nature. Having views of trees or other natural areas might improve well-being. Number 5. Employ natural materials. Select building supplies and coatings that resemble the patterns and textures seen in the natural world. An atmosphere with natural textures, wood and stone is more organic and calming. Number 6. Design for multi-sensory experiences. Take into account the environment's sensory elements such as noises, smells and tactile sensations. Use all of your senses to create a richer, more immersive experience. Number 7. Establish thinking spaces. Set aside places for introspection and rest. To create a calm mood, these areas can have cozy seats, natural accents, and acoustic design. Number 8. Promote outdoor engagement. To promote outdoor activities and social connections, include outside places like patios, rooftop gardens, or courtyards. So that was all about biophilic architecture. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do use its elements in your design and make the environment a better place to live in. Thank you. Bye. Take care.